Hey guys, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. Now, in our premium stuff, I recorded a 40-minute video today on the market as far as what I think is going to be happening next, just based on what I'm seeing with respect to breadth, what the big dogs, the mega caps are doing and stuff like that. And I think just in general, we're probably going higher. Nobody knows, certainly not me, whether we've put in, quote, the bottom. I don't think we have, but I think we have for a while, like probably November. What happens after that, who knows? Again, I'm not a prognosticator because I'm smart enough to know that nobody knows for sure, which means that people that are just out there predicting stuff are basically just spewing bullspit all over the place, and I'm not that guy. Anyway, though, with that said, I was just kind of rummaging through on my scans, and I popped across ROST stores here. These days, people are kind of sharping at the bargain basement, so to speak. And so ROST could be one that works. It's just broken out above 95. It's still kind of volatile, but as long as the stock stays above this, you can see that volume is pretty good here. It's tapered off a bit as the stock's climbed, but this was pretty solid volume. This is institutional buying that pushed this above the 200-day moving average. So whereas the 200-day had been resistance, it had been where the sellers were hiding over the last few months. Now the stock broke above there, which tells us that the sellers are gone. I like that. Another one, OLLI. Love OLLI's bargain outlets. Nice move here. Let me get rid of this stuff. This is really old. There, much better. So we kind of have a similar thing with OLLI's in that it's finally broken out above the 50. The 200 never cracked. And so I'm looking for more upside from here. No earnings for a month. And so I'm thinking OLLI's works probably to about 65 or so. ROST, I don't know. I think at least 100, which isn't that high a price target, but I can't really go any higher than that without guessing. So I would say you're looking at maybe a 5% move on ROST, probably a little bit more on OLLI's. So anyway, that's what I got for you members. Make sure you're taking notes. Again, I got 40 minutes of market analysis, and so I think it's really important, especially since we're at kind of a turning point here for our short-term stance. So I want you to check that out. Thanks for being a member. By the way, if you're not a member, check it out. You do get a trial. All right, see you next time.